Yeah, my daughter wasn't able to remember this fountains here. They have been disconnected due to Corona. Most of the time. Working quite good. The art installation, not a placing. Nice. Somewhere to do. Now, of course, we didn't bring any sunscreen. Not helpful with my skin. Taking a sun break now. So there was a fire in the Hamburg train station yesterday, and yeah, the whole German transportation system, railway system, is about broken now. Yeah. So, which actually causes me to have less waiting time because I'm taking the train like 2 or 3 hours ahead, which is now 2 hours delayed. Right when I arrived here. So one of the things I wanted to buy me some dinner. And I only got something from the vending machine because the fines are so long. It's like it's not 35, it's like 150 minutes delay or something.
Können wir sogar dann in den Schiffkarte oder in den Strand rein. Tag auf Brücke noch.
Musst du deine Schreiben, deine Blätter aufkommen?
Ein Tag. Es geht plus ein Tag.
Was, es geht plus ein Tag?
Ja, das spätestens du von Schmarrn.
Was meckerst du uns so an?
Babes are already quite big here.
Was? Nein, dich.
Right when we moved here, this tree was struck by lightning and was like one of the biggest trees in the town. It was totally destroyed and now looks like again. That's quite interesting, right? Quite the rain coming in. Just get rid of all the pre-deposited bottles before that thing arrives. Consuming all that Fanta and Red Bull in our hands. Despite my warnings, my wife went right into the shopping after I came out, and it's like really a terrible place to be with those masks. Get a little bit higher than the building there. That's a really big rain front coming in there. flashes earlier. Seems to get a couple of more minutes here. Starting to rain, but I think the worst part of the most flashes are moving a little bit south, so probably getting spared by the worst of it. Not and quite windy and quite heavy rain probably in a couple of seconds. Not that I not foretold it. Yeah, that was a flash. The parking here is really. I guess the lantern has like protection. Still not quite comfortable. Just having a strike right beside you, right? The current should be no problem. Now it's quite flashy around here. Yeah. Some quite interesting ones going on there. Just never when you have the camera up, right? That's also the question of the shutter speed actually allows to capture it, but yeah. Sounds like when we were coming there was one behind us. The one you hear, it was like just over there. It's kinda exciting that the most exciting thing is a small thunderstorm, right? How are you doing?